Are you ready to embark on a journey through Cappadocia's unique fairy chimneys under the soft lights of the sunset? In our series of places to visit, we are in Uchisar. Located in the heart of this mystical geography, Uchisar not only offers breathtaking views but also holds traces of many civilizations throughout history. Especially the Uchisar Castle, which we are about to visit, is the highest point in Cappadocia and stands out not only for its natural beauty, but also for its strategic location. The castle was used for defensive purposes in the past. In Uchisar Castle, located in the Cappadocia region, which came under the rule of the Roman Empire in the 17th century BC, there are many churches, cellars, and chambers. Although many of these churches, cellars, and rooms were used to meet the sheltering needs of people who lived here in the past, and as we mentioned earlier, for defense during many wars, today they offer unforgettable views to visitors. We will soon climb to the highest point of the castle. Despite being in use for millions of years, the castle still looks quite sturdy. Since we visited Uchisar Castle at sunset, it was quite crowded and we had to wait at times while climbing the stairs. When I climbed Uchisar Castle, the first thing I felt was a deep sense of excitement. As I stepped onto the ancient stone stairs, it was as if I had traveled back thousands of years. With every step, I felt more connected to the magic and significance of the castle. The solid rocks surrounding me and the gentle breeze revealed how this ancient structure had stood firm throughout history. It felt like the castle had witnessed every era, with each detail telling its own story. When I reached the top, the view truly mesmerized me. In front of me stretched the enchanting valleys of Cappadocia, those famous fairy chimneys, and a vast landscape as far as the eye could see. Now we will enjoy the view from Uchisar Castle, one of the most beautiful spots in Cappadocia, and then leave the castle to explore other places to visit in Uchisar. After visiting Uchisar Castle, we head toward Cevizli, located just below the castle. The Cevizli Valley is on your right as you go from Uchisar to Göreme. You can view the castle from Cevizli and witness a unique landscape among many fairy chimneys and walnut trees. After exploring the Uchisar Market for a bit, our next stop is Pigeon Valley. You can easily find the Pigeon Valley thanks to navigation or signs. When we arrive at Pigeon Valley, Uchisar Castle is easily visible. Here, you can take a photo with a tree adorned with evil eye beads with the view behind you. Valley gets its name from the large number of pigeons that live here. You can start your journey in Cevizli Valley from Uchisar and end in the town of Göreme. Our trip began in Uchisar, and we recommend it as the starting point. Although the valley is approximately 4 to 5 kilometers long, you can enjoy a pleasant walk through its perfect atmosphere without getting tired, while taking in the unique views of nature. Cappadocia's unique structure has been shaped by thousands of years of erosion of volcanic tuff and basalt layers. The fairy chimneys, formed as a result of this process, have become the symbol of the region. Uchisar is also known for its winemaking. The fertile soils in the area provide an ideal environment for producing high-quality wines. The natural wonders surrounding Uchisar, such as Cevizli Valley, offer excellent opportunities for hiking and photography. Additionally, Uchisar boasts a rich cultural heritage with its traditional stone houses and handicrafts. Now, I'll leave you to enjoy the views of Uchisar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.